this is Dylan Jones, and I'd like to welcome you to another Frontier Precision Tech Talk. In today's session, we're going to be talking about how to create a GNSS contact in Trimble Access. There are a few bits of information to know before getting started with your GNSS contact. First of all, a GNSS contact contains the information needed in order to contact a real-time correction source. When starting an RTK survey that uses internet or dial-in data link, the survey style is what dictates which GNSS contact is automatically used. So if you have multiple GNSS contacts created, ensure that your survey style is set up appropriately. And lastly, you're going to want to know your VRS or RTN IP address and port number, as well as your username and password if it's applicable. Alright, so let's take a look and see how we set this up. You have Trimble Access opened up here on the project screen. In order to access your GNSS Contacts page, what you'll want to do is go up to the menu button, go down to Settings, choose Connections, and then choose GNSS Contacts. You can see here I have two GNSS contacts already created, but we can copy, delete, and create new GNSS contacts from the bottom buttons. If we want to just simply edit a GNSS contact, we'll want to arrow up or select the contact and then choose the Edit button. Here we can make changes to the GNSS contact as appropriate. So in order to create a brand new GNSS contact, we will choose the New button. Give this GNSS contact a name. Choose the contact type as Internet Rover for VRS or IP base station. If you are unsure which contact to select, consult the help notes. We're going to route our internet connection through our controller, choosing a network connection from the arrow here. You should be selecting operating system -Wi-Fi, cellular. Hit accept. Now in the NTRIP configuration section, this is where we will set up whether we want to use NTRIP, so a network broadcasted VRS network, or if we're using an IP base station. So if we're using a VRS network, we will choose yes for use NTRIP. Next, you'll want to input your NTRIP username and your NTRIP password, and then input the IP address for the VRS network. Along with the appropriate IP port. Then, if your network requires you to send user identity info, check the box. Some other important items here, or useful items, include this connect directly to mount point option. This can be very useful in the event that your VRS network allows for different mount points. This will connect directly to the same mount point each time you start your VRS survey. What you need to do is enter in the mount point name exactly how it appears in the base data source table. If you're unsure what the mount point name is, what you can do is start your VRS survey with the connect directly to mount point option turned off. And then the next time when you come into your NTRIP configuration here, you can switch it on and it should automatically pull the previously used mount point name. Review your settings here and hit the store button. So now I have a VRS Internet Rover type GNSS contact created, and I can pursue running a VRS survey at this moment. Now if you're running an IP base GNSS contact, what you will likely see, I have one set up here. I'll hit the edit button and just show you really quick. The only difference is that you are not using ntrip in this event. However, the IP address and port number are still going to be appropriately entered into the GNSS contact here. This has been another Frontier Precision Tech Talk. We hope you enjoyed this video and will join us again next time.